a view of the construction going on to the left. It's all relatively new high-rise buildings. This SkyTrain really snakes around, and the buildings are actually built around the SkyTrain track. These houses here have been there for a while. Oh, and there's that hole in the roof. Okay, if this is the station, Brentwood. Now, what an interesting station. Okay, this particular mall has grown hundreds of percent. It is one of the major hubs now, Brentwood Town Centre. Now, when I came here a couple of years ago, it was basically a hole in the ground. Now, it's been so built up around the SkyTrain station, it's hardly recognisable now. It's just, even the station itself is very new. It's very different too. It's very arty-farty compared to any of the other stations. Yeah, and if you go in there, into the mall, it is, wow, it's just, yeah, it's a mall and it's worth visiting. Might have to come back if I have time. I always say that, I never get time to come back to all these malls. But yeah, it's an amazing mall inside with a very good food court. Let me tell you, it's very good. One of my favourite malls, so I quite like Lougheed, and I do like Brentwood. So and I like Metrotown Metropolis. But yeah, that mall is really new and it's growing still. And last year I came, and it did have a very good food court. Oh yeah, and I think there's a Japadog in there, of course. One of the more boring nearby next stations. What's this one? Gilmore. Yeah, Gilmore's pretty boring. Nothing much here except residential. I wonder how many more stops until we get to BCC Park. Nearly there, I think. Anyway, thanks for watching.